Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with MuchDutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Oranjebitter, a Dutch bittersweet liqueur. This is how we say Oranjebitter. Oranjebitter. There is a light emphasis on the second syllable. Oranjebitter. O-RAN-JE-BIT-TER. Oranjebitter. Oranjebitter is a mix of alcohol, orange peels, spices and burnt sugar. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on MuchDutch as soon as possible. Bedankt en tot ziens!